Hello and welcome to Prime News. Now look at the headlines. Coal block allocation since 1993 illegal, arbitrary, non-transparent. Supreme Court holds back all allocations. Goa's power plan hits roadblock. All block Congress committees will be dissolved and reconstituted. GPCC chief hints at more suspensions in Congress, denies reports of his removal. Procedure of mining leases from this month onwards. IBM to begin inspection of mining leases from Tuesday. E-auction of ore within 2 months. Konkan railway traffic back on track. Wagons cleared from the track. Train resumes after 26 hours. Namo Way fades in Bihar and Karnataka by poll. BJP wins MP and Punjab by poll with face-saving margins. And Goa Rugby Football Union certifies 50 coaches for development of touch rugby in schools. UAE touch confirms support to Goan rugby. Now the news in detail. Supreme Court in a crucial verdict has declared all coal block allocations from 1993 to 2009 as illegal. Court has observed that screening committees or the union government both did not maintain transparency while allocating coal blocks to public sector units and private companies. Supreme Court will further hear the matter on 1st September. With this verdict, Goa's power generation plant in Chhattisgarh has hit a roadblock. CM Parrikar agreed that Goa will have to keep importing power at costly tariff.
In 1993 and 2009 has declared that all the allocations that were made by the central government, whether through the screening committee route or through the government allocation route to public sector undertakings, were all done in a totally non-transparent, arbitrary and sometimes malafide manner, and therefore all those allocations have been declared illegal and have been cancelled. On those leases and the mining which has already been started there, the court has decided to have a further hearing on the 1st of September to decide that.
The Supreme Court bench headed by Chief Justice R.M. Lodha in the verdict said, no state government or public sector undertakings of the state governments are eligible for mining coal for commercial use. This means Goa's Chhattisgarh coal block dream has hit a roadblock. Parrikar government is highly relying on this project to solve power crisis in the state. We contacted CM to know how government would handle the situation. CM spoke to us and I quote, with this judgment, the situation of coal block for Goa remains the same as it is there for last 3 years. Goa's power plan will halt. Now Goa will have to buy power with imported coal and supply to its consumers. The imported power being costly, the electricity tariffs will naturally be high, unquote. And this was Union Power Minister Piyush Goyal's reaction.
We consider all options and alternatives, but have not made up our mind on the particular issue that you have flagged. I can assure you the government is prepared to act quickly once the final decision is made.
Bureau Report Prudent. GPCC will dissolve all Congress block committees and reconstitute them. President of committee John Fernandez informed that party is in reviving mode and new faces and active members will be inducted in the new committees. He rubbished news reports claiming that he has been sacked from the post. On the contrary, John said Congress workers and leaders involved in anti-party activity will continue to face suspensions.
Now even I have powers to dissolve all block committees. It is a matter of one stroke of one signature. But I was interacting with my members and I said I don't want to dissolve, let me reconstitute. Take those people who are active in and put other people who are also want to be in.
News Daily had reported that John has been removed as the president of the GPCC. John cleared that he has not received any kind of intimation or a written order from the All India Congress Committee. He further stated that he will continue to act against the anti-party workers. Executive Committee on Monday resolved to support John Fernandes as president and have conveyed their sentiments to the AICC.
The president is sacked, the whole PCC is sacked. The PCC comes with the president. So I knew that is a hoax news. And I am going to suspend more people. If they go and write more things, it doesn't deter me.
Few Congress leaders have not handed over the party premises. Action will be initiated against such leaders. John said that party will move for legal action against such erring leaders.
If those are not Congress officers, we will file a case before CBI that those people as ministers misuse their position to extort money from industrialists to buy premises in the name of the Congress, which is not in the name of the Congress. So it is a corrupt practice. So they will have to rush to the CBI court for bail in Mapsa.
GPCC also resolved to request the Goa government to install a statue of Jawaharlal Nehru at the Assembly complex. Meanwhile, former Power Minister Alex Sequeira has demanded ouster of John Fernandes. Sequeira has demanded action against John Fernandes for allowing a Shiv Sainik Bhalchandra Naik to malign his own party leader using days of Congress House. Alex was speaking in our weekly program Head On.
I have said he will be removed and has to be removed immediately.
Will he be?
Otherwise there's something drastically wrong with All India Congress Committee. Till this minute I have received nothing in black and white from the party, till this minute that I am talking to you. And you as Goa Pradesh Congress Committee allows one Bhalchandra Naik, who has told the sit that has been formed by the government to inquire into a particular issue, that he is a member of Shiv Sena, and you allow him to occupy the Goa Pradesh Congress office, and he there insinuates and casts aspersions on the character of a leader like of the stature of Mr. Pratap Singh Rane. What is happening here?
With Bureau Inputs, reporter Mahesh Gadi for Prudent.
Process of renewal of mining leases will begin from this month. Indian Bureau of Mines along with Mines and Geology Department will begin inspection of mining leases from Tuesday. Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has assured beginning of mining operations from December. Similarly, Mines Department has decided to auction remaining extracted ore in next 2 months. Government is expecting nearly 1,500 crore rupees as total revenue from e-auctioning of the extracted ore.
Procedure of renewing mining leases has begun. Regional Office of the Indian Bureau of Mines and Geology Department will begin inspection of leases from Tuesday. Inspection will commence from Pisulle. Sources said that officers will complete inspection of 27 mining leases within a week. They will verify the quantity of ore under the leases. Officers have been told to submit inspection report of each lease within 24 hours of the inspection. Mines and Geology Department has decided to e-auction remaining extracted iron ore before the end of October. Till now, the department has auctioned nearly 4 million tons of ore. Department has proposed to auction more than 2 million tons of ore on 2nd September. The next auction will be held on 15th and 20th September. Department intends to finish the e-auctioning process before the end of October. Department expects nearly 1,500 crores revenue from e-auctioning of the ore. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent.
Traffic on Konkan Railway route resumed on Monday afternoon after clearing derailed bogies of a goods train on Konkan Railway route. All the 7 wagons of the train were cleared from the railway track. Thousands of passengers faced hardships as trains were cancelled. 8 trains including 4 on Goa-Mumbai route were cancelled. Interstate bus operators had a good business for these 2 days.
Finally, the traffic on Konkan Railway route resumed on Monday after 26 hours. Konkan Railway yet again disappointed its passenger during festive season and weekend as goods train of Kota Kalika derailed on the route of Konkan on Sunday. All the 7 wagons of the train carrying a consignment of food grains had derailed near Ratnagiri. 8 trains including 4 on Goa-Mumbai route were cancelled on Sunday due to the derailment. All the 7 wagons were removed by Sunday night to clear the track for traffic, and train traffic resumed by Monday afternoon. KRC trains cancelled. Karmali Shatabdi Premium Special Train, Diva Sawantwadi Passenger Train, Konkan Kanya Express, Jana Shatabdi Express, Dadar Sawantwadi Ganesh Special Train, Lokmanya Tilak Terminus, Karmali Express, Margao Ernakulam Express, Dadar Margao Passenger Train. This derailment caused inconvenience to thousands of passengers when Savat is just round a corner. Meanwhile, interstate bus operators had a good business taking the advantage of the situation. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.